Hi, and welcome to day 3 of how to look good on social media. My name is Ruth, social media boss lady, and today's tip is make an editorial calendar. Yes, an editorial calendar is a great way to keep your social media game on track and also to help you accomplish your goals. Now, to get started, make monthly or quarterly goals on how you want to publish new content. Now, these goals could be how frequently you want to publish each content, and the messages you want to distribute, and the kind of people you would like to reach. So, next thing you now do is to make a detailed plan for the content that you would publish. Okay, yes. So how you get started is that so let's say, for instance, your company, you have products that you want to promote. Let's say you have company products you want to promote probably twice a week during your first month. Calendar out what these products are, the posts that these products are going to be contained in, and what kind of message you would like to share out there, definitely. And then when you do this at the end of the month, you can actually look back or your calendar and see where you were successful, and this basically would help you to know, okay, did I follow my posting schedule? What posts were successful? Did this work? Did this not work? And basically you can use these insights to help you make new calendar plans. Trust me, it's not going to be easy to achieve your goals. So wherever you see little successes, pause and enjoy those small successes, and because you'll find out that once you start seeing results, enjoy it, and then it leads to more and more. I mean, little drops make a mighty ocean. So that's it for today. Today's tip is make an editorial calendar, and I'll see you again next time on how to look good on social media. Take care, guys. Bye.